once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
For this bag you need a cotton candy yarn. It is very soft and it is 7 mm thick, and I am using uh, a hook of 8 mm for this project and a stitch marker. This tutorial is very helpful for the beginners. Beginners can easily start up with this project. So let's get started. First, make a slip knot. Just hold the yarn, the tail on the right, and the uh, yarn attaching with the ball on the left hand, and just cross it over itself in a way and just pull up the yarn to make a loop and insert the hook into the loop and tighten up the yarn by pulling the tail. Now make 17 chains. 1, make it a little loose so the hook can easily be inserted into the chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have made 17 chains. Now yarn over and skip the first chain and insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. This is the first and this is the second. Yarn over and insert the hook into the chain and pull up the loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now repeat the same stitch until you reach the last chain. Now at the end of the chain you have total of 15 stitches on the chain. Now make 4 more stitches into the last chain where we worked last double crochet. Work 4 more double crochet into the same stitch. Now if we count, we have total of 5 stitches into the same chain. Now yarn over and work half double crochet in the next side of the chain. Now again, in the last chain work total of 5 half double crochets. I have done 1. Now 4 more to go. This is number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make a slip stitch into the first chain and we are done with the round 1. Now for the round 2, work half double crochet all across the way without increasing or decreasing in stitches and reach here. Now insert the hook and make a and just mark it up. Okay, I will meet you at this point. Just work half double crochet all across the way and reach here. Now that I have reached the end, now slip stitch into the stitch where we slip stitched in the previous row. Now that this is the first stitch of the round, now this is the base of the bag that we are making. Now let's start with the body of the bag. Now this is the stitch. This is the full stitch. Now for the round 1 for the body part. This is the base and we are done with the base. Now we are going to start the body part. Round 1 for the body part, we are going to insert the hook into the back loop only and pull up the loop and work single crochet. Just mark the point so that it's easy for us to know where we end the round. Now same, insert the hook into the back loop only, pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through 2. And work single crochet in back loop only all across the round. Now that I have reached, now slip stitch into the first stitch Now work single crochet in full stitch and just mark where we slip stitch. Now work single crochet in each stitch. In the previous row we worked in back loop only. Now from the now onwards we will work single crochet in full stitch. Now make rows, 8 rows, 8 more rows, total of 10 rows, 1 2 and again 8 rows, and after that 8 rows we will make the strap of the bag. Now in the same way work single crochet and make a total of 8 10 rows. I have done 2, 8 more rows to go, and after that I will meet you how to make strap. Now that I have made 10 rows of single crochets, now in the next row we will make handles for this bag. Work single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 in next 5 stitches. One, two, three, 4, 5. Now where we placed stitch marker, this was our first stitch. So if we count from the first stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now from here if we count this count this as our first stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we will make handle in this stitch. So work make a chain of 20, 1 2 3 4 5 add 2 to 3 more chains, 21 22 23 24 25. Now I think this would be enough to carry the bag. Now in the if we count from this stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6, in the 7th stitch we made chain in the 6th stitch. Now skip next 6 stitches and slip stitch into the 7th stitch like this, and again work single crochet in next 6 stitches, 2 3 4 5 6. Now from this side you can add handles to the parallel stitches or just count 1 2 3 4 5 in the 6th stitch, place made a chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now make a chain of 25. Now again make 25 chains. 1 2 3 4 25. Now skip again 6 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and work and slip stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6, slip stitch into the 7th stitch and again work single crochet till the end of the round. Now this is the last stitch, slip stitch. If you want to add one more row you can go ahead, but I'm done with the rows. I think this would be enough. You can add you can put your tab, mobiles or whatever you want to carry. You can now just slip off the yarn and hide the tail. To add cloth in the inner side, it's up to you, it's totally up to you, but I'm not lining the cloth. Okay, I'll see you the final result.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait